Okay, so the technique we just looked at it's a basic technique against the right grab. We're counter grabbing Sakame Uke, lifting over to Urakote, pushing down with Takegatami, stepping in front, Omote Shiranage, going to the left knee, still Takegatami as I post, I slide down in position and I move into Udegatami, and then from there we would do Toeyashi and then cover back out, right, in position. Now, at this particular technique we're going to do is we're going to look at the same concept, we're going to look for a couple different angles. Kata doesn't teach you how to fight. Kata teaches the philosophies and principles that you can use in a fight. So people tend to take it a little bit out of context. So let's look at the same principles and philosophies of that particular motion from a couple different angles. Mr. Priest is going to come in with the right punch, right foot lead. He's going to put it right there, right on the nose there. And as he does that, I'm going to push off. There's the same position as I parry through, come back, and into the lock. Now, did you see how when he came back, thank you very much. Do it again. As he comes back in, I'm going to push off. There's the position. Sweep. Post, Udegatami, and then back in, right? Now, we can also, depending on the position of where he's at, is what's going to give us a different opportunity. If you go behind me there, sweetie. If he gives me a grab to the shoulder right here, all I'm going to do is make sure that this hand, see this here, instead of the counter grab and working with the wrist, I'm just simply going to take the hand and come underneath, and then take down. And then again from here, we get the lock, and then we come back through. So still using the principles of an old kata. Even if you change the angle, it doesn't have to be 1, 2, 3. You just simply go to the position of where you are to effectively do the technique. I know you know it, but do you guys understand what I'm talking about? So now we're going to look at the same concept versus a punch, and then from a rear grab, and see if you can apply those same principles to that particular attack, okay?